notice how the bottom half of the wall, everything is white outside of the office, but inside of the office it's wooden color.
Yeah.
And the feeling that I got was, oh my gosh, like you actually feel like you're in a different space. And I kind of thought maybe, was it intentional because you want to create that separation?
I think it is. So it reminds me of kind of like a library, you know, if you had a room called a library, you know, like they would have maybe in an older home, you know, or if you expect it to be like a den library or something where it's going to have like the wood and the, you know, maybe some bookshelves and just a little more cozier atmosphere. And also it does create that separation where it just has a little bit of a different feeling than the rest of the house, where you just, I don't know, just sit there and focus on something different. So, and it's far enough away from the action areas of the house that you've got a little more